So this question states that there are n events in a Greek city. You are given two arrays start and end, denoting starting and ending day of the events respectively. Event I starts at start of I and ends at end of I. You can attend an event I at any day start between start of I and end of I, but you can attend only one event in a day. Find the maximum number of events you can attend. So here a start and end array is given, and the start array is 1, and like at the first day, uh, at the sorry the first event is start from the first day and ends at first day. The second event starts at second day and ends at second day, and the third event starts at first day and ends at second day. So we have to find the what is the maximum number of events that we can attend, and we have to we can attend only one event in a day. So we can see that we can attend only two events here, where it is in like in the first event, and that is that occurs in first day, and the second event that occurs in second day, first day and second day. So my output is 2. Here we can see that we can attend three events. The first event starts at first day, first day and ends at second day. The second event starts at second day and ends at third day, and the third event starts at third day and ends at fourth day. So uh, we have to find the maximum number of events that we can attend. So it is my code, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to diagram uh, with an example. So let's get into it. And I have used vector and priority queue uh, to get the uh, answer. So this one is mm, the first is start of I, and the second is end of I. This is the initial array, start and end of I. Okay. Like the first event starts at first day and ends at second day. First event starts at first day and ends at fifth day. The second event starts at second day and ends at sixth day. The third event starts at fourth day and ends at sixth day. And here are total n equal to 9. 9 events here. So what we can do is like we can see here that um, after this we are sorting it by first element. So what it will do, like we can here see that 1 to 4, like the like we are sorting it by like first element. So like 1, the first event, here now the first event is starts at 1 and ends at fourth day. First event starts at second day and ends at fifth day. So we are now get into the code. Like, so at first what I'm doing it, I'm doing a like I have created a vector using a pair, and I am pushing every start and end according to it. Now I am sorting it by start and end. So after that we are initializing a priority queue, and the priority queue is min heap. uh, like min heap, what does min heap do? Min heap does like the minimum element always comes at the first, and we are then initializing count I and d equal to 0. So now this is the slightly tricky part. So what we are doing is, at first we are doing if priority queue not equal to null, or I less than equal to n. My I is at first is 0, and my I less than equal to size, then n, like this is the like this part is only for the get the um, this part is only to get the first value. Hmm. So what will be the d at first? So d will be at first. Let my d d. Okay, so d will be at first my 1. Sorry. Okay, d will be at first my 1 1. So then what we are doing, if v of I dot first, like the first element is less than equal to d, and I less than equal to n, we are pushing every second element to the queue, and we are incrementing I plus equal to 1. So what does this do? Like in the uh, like now the priority queue will be 4 and 5. Sorry. 4 and 5. Now my priority queue will be 4 and 5 5. So we are pushing like my v of I of first. So this is the v of I of first. Like this is the one, like 1 is less than equal to 1. So my second element will be will push to the 4, and my third, like this element will be pushed to the 5. So now I now these two element is pushed to the queue. So my now at first I will be at first here, then in the second index, and now I in the third index. So now what we will do, we will do pq.pop. What does pq.pop do? Pq.pop do, like the first element will be removed. So now fourth will be removed. So now what we are doing, we are incrementing count by 1. We are incrementing count by 1. We are incrementing, at first count is 0, then count will be 1, and then d equal to incrementing d by 1. What will be d now? D will be now at first 1, then it will be now 2. Okay. Hmm. Now what does this do? Like this does, while pq.empty and then pq.top dot less than d, then pq.pop. Now what will be my d? Now this what does this like, why we are incrementing d plus equal to 1? Like d, we are incrementing d to get like to get the last to like to get the current element remove removed from the queue. Now what does this do? To like d will be now 2, and pq dot top less than equal to d. So this will not happen at first. So what we'll do, like d is my 2, then we are now we go back to the while pq dot empty. uh, Now pq dot empty not equal to like this will not occur. Then what does this do? Like this will okay. Now d 2 is less than equal to 2. So we are pushing 2 and 6 to the queue. So what will be, the queue is 2 comma 5 comma 6. Okay. Now I is my in here. So now pq dot pop. Now what I will pop the 2. I will pop 2. Okay, and my count will be increased to 2, and my d will be increased to 3. Okay. Now now pq dot empty, this is not empty. and this will be false also. So we are going to this also again, uh, pq.empty, this will be false, and v of I dot first less than equal to d, v of I, where v of I dot first 3 হচ্ছে less than equal to 3, 3 less than equal to 3. So we will go to like we will push 4 to the v of I dot second, we will push v dot I dot second, so the 4 will push to the q, 4 5 6. Okay, now, 4 5.6. So now what we'll do, we'll remove 4 from the priority queue. Now count will be increased to 3, d will be increased to 4. Now same will be happened again. Now we will push 6 to the priority queue, but now 6 is in the priority queue, so we will not put it into the queue. So now count is 4, count is 4. Okay, now 5 before count going to be 4, let me change it. Now we will remove 5 from the queue, priority queue. So count will be now 4 and d will be now 5. Okay, now what does this do? Like, okay, 5 6. Now we will push 7 to the, we will push 7 to the queue, we'll push 7 to the queue, 7 to the queue. Okay, now we are removing 6 from the queue, incrementing it by 1 5 and incrementing it by 6. Now we are pushing 7 and 8 to the queue, 7 and 8. Okay, 7, incrementing it by 6, 6, and d will be now 7. Now priority queue only have one value. Okay, now this will be 7, now this will be 8. Okay, so like this will be my final answer. So what does this code, like what does like this will do properly? So it will at first check like priority queue is empty, then it will assign the first value, then it will check if the assigned value is less than the v of I dot first, like the in the sorted array the first element is less than equal to d. If it will be less than equal to d, then we will push the second value to the queue, then we'll pop the first element from the queue. Hmm. Then we will increment it I equal to I plus equal to 1, pq dot pop count plus equal to 1, uh, like what like this will do only to increment the I. Now we are pq, what does pq dot pop do? Pq dot pop do only to remove the current happened happened event, like the event which event was like occurred. So we will increase the count equal to count increment it by 1 and d will increment it by 2, and then we will run it. Now this will be my final result. Okay, thank you.